Business transformation, a brief overview. Several factors are pushing businesses to change, which is becoming a very important part of being successful in today's business world, where things change quickly. This video will explain what business transformation is and how you can use that idea in your own business. Organizations today are affected by many things that force them to change quickly in many ways. These things can be macroeconomic events, changes in society, pandemics, changes in the market, or changes that happen because of a chance. So, it's fair to say that an organization that doesn't change is probably going to die. This makes most organizations want to make a decision and make the plans they need to make sure that their business transformation will help their business grow. Strategy and business model. When organizations face change, they need to think about their strategy and business model before they change their business. They need to find out if your business strategy and model are good for the future and what will help the business grow. There are two main types of strategies that organizations use: a forced and reactive way of changing and a growth-centered strategy and business model that looks for opportunities. Whether your business transformation is reactive or proactive, you need to have a strategy and business model ready to support it. Many organizations know they can make more money by switching to a strategy or business model that focuses on standard operations and common operating procedures throughout the organization, or by putting the customer first. This is done by, for example, imagining how to give better customer service information, speed up service, sell more, and make sure employees have a good time. You need to look at your overall strategy and business model, which will become the basis for your business transformation strategy. Operating model. Once there is a clear strategy and a high-level business model in mind, the next step in the business transformation is to dig deeper and start to define an operating model. In the future, the organization will be able to give customers a better experience from then on. But if that's the case, how will the organization drive some of the cost savings we may have found as part of our strategy for the future? Some of the strengths you already have could be used in the operating model. But it will also fix some of the problems and, ideally, take advantage of best practices you haven't thought of yet. This will give you opportunities for growth, a new market, or better customer experiences. The key is to make sure that your operating model matches your overall strategy and business model, and that you have clearly defined your current state, your goals, and what your business transformation will do. Organizational strategy. People are the other part of your business transformation that you need to think about. You need to look at the organization as a whole, including its structure, its culture, and its strengths and weaknesses in those two areas. Another part is talent management, which looks at whether the employees are right for the job and have the right skills, or if they need to learn new skills to meet the needs of tomorrow. The assessment of the whole organization is a key part of a business transformation. When a client's business is changing, for example, I use a three-pronged approach to find out what the organization is like now, where the problems and opportunities are, and what needs to be fixed. The focus of that assessment tool is on understanding the culture as it is now and how it will change in the future. It also makes sure that we've thought of ways to make the organization better. It is very important to realize that the organizational strategy is one of the most important parts of any business transformation. Technology strategy. Most business changes today entail some kind of technology enablement. For the business process to get better, it needs new technology. It's pretty rare to find business changes that don't involve some kind of technological change. Once we've taken care of the people and the processes, we need to figure out the technology strategy, the systems that are already in place and how well they work, the gaps, the problems, and the systems that are already on the market that could help with a business transformation. So, if you want to improve efficiency, you can use a widely used technology like an ERP. Customer Relationship Management, CRM, which focuses on sales, automation, and customer service, is another type of system. Or Human Capital Management, HCM, which is a type of HR technology that helps with everything from hiring to firing. There are a lot of different technologies, such as business intelligence, software systems, and automated supply chain management. There are also new technologies, such as machine learning and artificial intelligence, which are sometimes built into technologies. Preparing your business roadmap. From this point of view, you should remember that defining your current systems and the systems you want to have in the future is the best way to help you with the people, processes, and strategies that are part of your overall business transformation. Once you've found the 4 major threads, which are strategy, operating model, organizational model, and technology strategy, you need to put them all together in a business transformation roadmap or plan. Since your organization didn't spring up overnight, these changes will take some time. Still, it helps to have a clear plan that shows when the changes will happen. The business transformation plan and roadmap usually include all the different threads and other things, but these are the main work streams or activities that you should include in your overall transformation. It's also important to remember that you don't want technology to be the only thing that changes your business. Organizations that think a hot new technology is the only way to change their business, or at least get a vision for how to change their business, need to realize that the technology may be a tool, but it shouldn't be the driver. The change driver should be your organization's overall strategy, its goals, and its plans for operations and people. In the end, you should treat your business transformation like any other organizational project, with a clear plan that includes milestones, a project manager, and, if needed, help from outside consultants. Additional resources. Regardless of the size and scope of your transformation, you must have a clear business transformation plan and roadmap to help you move forward. Subscribe to my channel and visit my website for more information on the business transformation roadmap concept. I hope you found this information useful, and please don't hesitate to contact me directly if you have any questions about business transformation and how it can help your organization. I am happy to serve as an informal sounding board for you as you embark on your digital transformation journey.